Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal beat Leicester City 2-0 to climb back to the top 4 ahead of Manchester United. For the first half, Arsenal opened the scoring through Thomas Partey as Martinelli play corner for Babacon Noda Miko enter to make him 1-0. Then for the second half, for 59 minutes, Soyuncu concede penalty, a through handball where Lacazette can score to make him 2-0. Even VAR check the thing, check and we say commentator can say that the longest VAR check for EPL be that. So Smith Joseph can come inside the second half, can replace Martinelli. You say Smith Joseph gets coronavirus, so he don't recover. To replace Martinelli for 78 minutes as Baba gets some much needed game time. Among my people, that 2-0 end after everything where Arsenal and Leicester play, so Arsenal can win them 2-0. Then after the match, you can get some kind of talking points like the save where Ramsdale make an important save for that match. And nobody Ramsdale play very well for that match. Even Thomas Partey had a very nice game. Odegaard had a fantastic game. Like all Arsenal players really play well. Some people don't really impress us, but these people who I don't call their name, no. They were marvelous, and even Gabriel Magalhaes and the defensive partnership with Ben White, they played miraculously well. So everything go well. After the match, Clinton Morrison don't come and second the talk say Lacazette will get a new contract from the way we in the sittings because the guy link up play they very important. Say the way the guy they play. So even self the guy for him mind he go the press make him go play number 10, but he just be say Odegaard don't call up in that place because the company say if he convert Lacazette to a much better number 10 so that he no go run too much. He go do there because company like say Lacazette know how to make assists and link up play with all these young boys ahead of him scoring by himself. For the past 7 or 8 games, Lacazette never scored. Now this yesterday match, I can't give him penalty on the platter of gold. If you watch that penalty, said before him plan, he was lacking confidence because he don't think when he score, he don't know how to score again. He first run, stop. You don't know what he go do. First confirm where keeper, the goalkeeper can't do like say they go down or wipe and go up. That is why if you watch after that penalty, Michael said, "Come run, go meet the keeper." I said, "Which kind of penalty this guy playing now? The guy they go to make a move now, coach, referee, have fun now. You know go tell me replay." You know referee say, "Oh God, go your post, Charlie." I go start the game. Gary Neville said, "Don't come outside." Gary Neville, one of the super players for Manchester United. So Baba dey for pundit duty. Baba can dey talk say Arsenal now still be top 4 favourite despite say United win their match against Tottenham Hotspur. Say if to say United lose that match, then we say it would have been over for United. For we say they know they fight for top 4 again, but still now say Arsenal still the top 4 favourite. Manchester United still get like 9 games to go, and Arsenal will get maybe that kind 12 games to go or thereabouts. Yes, so that's so it just be. Even Brendan Rodgers said after the match, come outside for media setting, come they praise Arteta, come talk say, see Arsenal since we they know they for Europe, you get they know they play plenty competition. Like just this EPL they focus on for this ending part of the season. Say they get all the time in the world to train, to recover from games. You get so now waiting they help them and they take advantage of all those spaces and all those time you get. So like them now remember see them still in Europe, they play in multiple fronts. You get so it will affect that preparation. Unlike Arsenal, we say they go rest. Play like once in 10 days, once in 8 days. Now only now by the time so when they play like 3 games in 6 days, you get. So now so it just be Baba praise us gone say Arsenal say they get some kind of young players you get among the young players with talent. Baba just they impressed with the whole play. Even our monetary spirit today they call Corriere dello Sport don't come outside they let us know say Fabian Ruiz of Napoli. Say the guy they open to an Arsenal move. This one come bust my brain. She been at this same Fabian Ruiz not too long ago. We talk saying no they interested in coming Arsenal. So this is a conflicting report from 2 verifiable sources. So I don't know which I will believe. Say the guy know they come. I be sure the guy they come. Even though we know say a fee they very cheap. Napoli just want sell them for their 16 million pounds. Not too much. Why? Because they give a contract extension, he no agree accepts, and the guy no get plenty time left for his contract. So you go pay them, say make them sell and collect small change than for the guy to leave as a free agent. So that is waiting the sort now. And at the same time, for media setting, they ask Mikel Arteta, say how far, and this one I don't get like 5 straight wins now. The morale they high, everywhere they sweet. Say the next match against Liverpool, say either will be you feel say na go fit win them. So Baba come talk say to beat Liverpool no be spirit, they no get forehead. To beat them, we gats believe say we fit do am. They dey beatable. Shebi themselves don lose for this season, so anybody can beat them. But number one be say you get the belief say una fit do am. Nobody fear them. You can respect them as a top opponent. Say yes for the things wey they don achieve of late, winning Champions League, winning the league, all those kind of things. But say one on one make on fear them, no. And at the same time, we never know how far whether Salah will play, because for me, I see Salah as the best player in the world. The guy dey very hot in form. If in the match, you go know. In the very influential. Some people talking no be even Salah than they fear, see na money than they fear. So me, I want re-echo what Arteta talk. If we get that belief, I will go there. We get nothing to lose, get nothing to prove to anybody. Now home we dey, you get play very well. We play against Man City for our home match. We say we possess them, scatter them, won't finish them, and just 5 minutes of madness just turn the game around. We play like that against Liverpool. Liverpool fit collect, it gets not taken. At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta about Aaron Ramsdale, with the guy the racking saves of the season against Leicester. Go and check out the Leicester first match. The guy do one kind of miraculous save, where he saved medicine, free kick, and some other shots in and wipe him. You can't check that yesterday match. The guy put in some kind of mad saves again. So Arteta come to say, say when we did for 1-0 up, say that save we put for Harvey Barnes header. Say that save, it puts Arsenal back in the game. Say that was when we really needed it, because for that first half, for the last 25 minutes of the first half, now Leicester City just control the game. We can't do for the defensive mode. You get this is a surprise after the first half when they do first half analysis. How they talk say Arsenal for the defense for first half. Now which levels now? We don't fit dey home they defend like that. Because we don't score one now, can't go lock up. How would they lock up against Leicester City at home with our 12th man? Come on, come be like say Arteta Yewuti at the top, like Arteta be the fly for the wall for Yewuti at the top. Of a second half they come out all swing. They say, nah, for this place now go collect. The rest just go second game. At the same time, Brendan Rodgers said they ask and say, I didn't see the match overall. So Baba Conte say, well, say Arsenal deserve to win the match because they played very well. You get say their keeper made a great save and they took their 2 chances well. The guy don't get any complaint, because if you check that save where Ramsdale make, as Harvey Barnes know them, see Brendan Rodgers already teaching a go. Baba don't carry hand up, one shout go. As Ramsdale just fly, just punch it in, and Baba shock, say wow, guy shock, just turn back. That response to stimulus turning, just turn. Say, and now facial expression with that, and don't forget, you do that facial expression just start to clap for the guy. Before you might go say, this keeper, oh my god, this keeper, or else they save us. My even Harvey Barnes come outside from media set to come talk to almost say Arsenal take advantage of their slow starts and Arsenal come pin them down. You know, for that second half they pin them. Even for the first half, for the early first half, they pin them down. And that pressure now come cause the corner where they come cross way part in Northern enter an unlikely goal scorer. Now score the goal. So the Arsenal say they really play very well. Say that just 25 minutes of this first half, then they say put all their effort try to equalize, and that Ramsey come go do that miraculous save, and they play very well short, but they were not lucky on the night. Everybody got self come outside from media set to come to talk, say almost say Arsenal don't get the belief now. They get the belief and they get the confidence in themselves. Say anything can happen, and the sweet part we say everybody, both the fans, the staff, coachy, everybody don't believe in the team. Say this season we are achieving something great. We are going back to Europe. Which part of Europe? Whether na Champions League, I mean a Europa League, we never know. But Europe is sure for us die for this season. So now so you just be say himself for that penalty. When you follow for people, we first shout for the referee, say penalty, handball. So when a party not the ball, so if you can't put hand, they say the hand can't touch the ball, you can't change the trajectory of the ball. If not, the ball for you speed enter the net. Again, that's why they can't do goal line clearance. Again, so when you see that, you say no, this is a penalty. When they shout before the referee come, after a few seconds, the VAR can check the team for the referee. VAR no confident even finalize him because it was a very tight score. They can't tell the referee say, go check out by yourself because me I don't understand this thing. No, go check out by yourself. If you can go check and say, this is a penalty. Kulusevski will be one of Tottenham Hotspur player. I can't wait. After Arsenal don't play the match against Leicester, where Arsenal don't win, and then lose against Manchester United. So Baba come outside from media set, on the post say, say it is a sprint, not a marathon. So Baba they likely tell sports fans say, see this top 4 team who they fight for. No be short term goal. Now long term you get season still yakpa, it's still plenty. There are like 9-10 matches to go. Anything can happen. You get many people they will play tough match. Who will still play Arsenal? Arsenal will still play Man U. You know, many tough matches. Man U go still play Liverpool. Liverpool will still play Arsenal. So everybody get tough matches to play and anything can happen. So that's what you just be. Roy Keane sef don come outside from media settings, so Baba come dey talk for pundit duty. All they talk about Thomas Partey, say this Partey, say the guy dey get enjoy. Say ever since we Arsenal sign him, remember say Arsenal sign this guy on deadline day. Say the guy never really acclimatized, because they collect injury up and down, never really dey used to Premiership because they running and bustling and everywhere. It dey affect him, they take a toll on his system. So now we say he don't understand EPL gone get. So now they get injury anyhow. The guy don't dey play, and not too long ago the guy criticized himself and analyze himself and evaluate himself. Say he go give himself 4/10. Say he dey try this season. Then after that evaluation, the guy can enter training, can dey boss everywhere. Now the guy dey play the best game of his life. The guy dey even dey score goals, dey wipe shot, dey collect tackles, and they collect card because the discipline measure so they don't put for Arsenal now. In with Xhaka, they dey collect card anyhow. Xhaka don't change. The Xhaka don't change. Xhaka dey make me this. If I dey watch Xhaka like this, I dey happy because the guy dey get some kind clean and neat tackles. No too much gra. Only that yesterday we say ball never go throw, he can't collect the ball. We referee for give and card, but the bed referee say the ball they go throw in. I just say man catch him for them now. Which levels they can't free him. So Roy Keane, they thought say Thomas Partey is having a good time, and Arsenal lucky to have him in their ranks. Even I share herself, Baba can't choke mouth for Arsenal matter. Can't say don't watch the Arsenal this season. After that first 3 games, we then lose in the beginning of the season, and the way they don't do for the ascending order, they don't do in form now. Imagine winning 5 games in 5. It's easy, it's not easy now. Say Arsenal are going only one way, and that one way now top 4 it be. Say the way then they play, say no. So there will be a threat next season, because by the time when they will finish for Champions League slots now, come buy 1, 2, or 3 top players. Now what if Baba talk finish for top 4? Buy 3 top players. Next season, Arsenal will be a banger. So Arsenal will be a big threat. So say if you want to play Arsenal like this, you will fear, because they will be a top team. And if they don't enter that top 4, a top 4 forever, they will just be there. They don't need to come down again. So that's what it just be. So if you know what yesterday updates, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. And no one gonna miss any chicken updates. So it's CHUKS signing out. This is a great week. Enjoy the great week. And get out.